Massive cargo ships sail into shore caught on camera. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the awe-inspiring footage of massive cargo ships sail into shore caught on camera, showcasing the sheer magnitude of these vessels in action, revolutionizing global trade. Today, we'll look more closely at some massive cargo ships sail into shore, documented on camera. These enormous ships can transport substantial cargo, including containers of different goods and cars. However, have you ever considered what it must be like to witness these massive ships make their way toward the shore? If not, you're in for an advantage because we'll talk about how these enormous ships land at ports worldwide and cruise the water nowadays. You'll be astounded by the intricate technology and accuracy needed to pull this out. Let's get started without further ado. Massive cargo ships sailing into shore. These ships are enormous, so considerable preparation and coordination are needed to ensure their safe docking at ports worldwide. It is vital to consider the water's depth, the tide's level, and the wind's direction to avoid potential accidents. These ships are highly steady thanks to their size and weight and were designed to withstand choppy seas. Even with this steadiness, docking a large ship is still complex, requiring experience and specialist understanding. Top 10 instances of some of the giant cargo ships docking in ports. Large cargo ships are frequently seen at ports all around the world. These ships, which come in various sizes and forms, are made to transport massive amounts of cargo across the ocean. Here are 10 instances of some of the giant cargo ships docking in ports. 10. MSC Oscar. When the MSC Oscar was first introduced in 2015, it was the largest container ship. Its length exceeds 395 meters and can hold more than 19,000 cargo. The vessel has anchored in several places, including Felixstowe in the UK. Mediterranean Shipping Company, headquartered in Switzerland, owns the MSC Oscar. 9. MV Barzan. When introduced in 2015, MV Barzan was among the world's giant container ships. It is over 400 meters long and can hold more than 18,000 containers. The vessel has anchored in several places, including Southampton in the UK. United Arab Shipping Company, a Dubai-based company, owns the MV Barzan. Number 8. CMA CGM Marco Polo. When it was introduced in 2012, the CMA CGM Marco Polo was the largest container ship in the world. Its length exceeds 396 meters and can hold more than 16,000 containers. In addition to Rotterdam in the Netherlands, the ship has docked in several ports worldwide. The France-based CMA CGM Group owns the CMA CGM Marco Polo. Number 7. OOCL Hong Kong. When it was introduced in 2017, the OOCL Hong Kong was the largest container ship in the world. It is over 400 meters long and can hold more than 21,000 containers. The ship has anchored in several ports, including Shanghai in China. Orient Overseas Container Line, a Hong Kong-based company, owns OOCL Hong Kong. Number 6. Maersk Triple E Class. The Maersk Triple E Class is one of the largest classes of container ships in existence. They are over 400 meters long and can hold more than 18,000 containers. The ports in which these ships have arrived include Ningbo in China and others worldwide. Maersk Line, a Danish company, owns the Maersk Triple E class ships. Number 5. Ever Given. In March 2021, the enormous container ship Ever Given made headlines when it became trapped in the Suez Canal, obstructing other ships' passage for several days. It is over 400 meters long and can hold over 20,000 containers. Evergreen Marine Corporation, a Taiwanese company, is the vessel's owner. Number 4. MSC Gulson. When it was introduced in 2019, the MSC Gulson was the giant container ship in the world. Its length exceeds 400 meters and can hold more than 23,000 containers. In addition to Rotterdam in the Netherlands, the ship has docked in several ports worldwide. Mediterranean Shipping Company, headquartered in Switzerland, owns the MSC Gulson. Number 3. Emma Maersk. The Emma Maersk was the largest container ship in the world when it was introduced in 2006. Its length exceeds 397 meters and can hold more than 15,000 containers. The ship has anchored in several ports, including Ningbo in China. Maersk Line, a Danish company, owns the CMA Maersk. Number 2. OOCL Triumph. When it was introduced in 2017, the OOCL Triumph was the most giant container ship in the world. It is over 400 meters long and can hold over 20,000 containers. In addition to Rotterdam in the Netherlands, the ship has docked in several ports worldwide. Japan-based Mitsui OOCL Lines is the owner of the OOCL Triumph. Number 1. CMA CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. With over 400 meters and a capacity of more than 20,000 containers, the CMA CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry is one of the world's largest container ships. The world's ports have welcomed it, notably Le Havre in France. The French-based CMA CGM Group owns the ship. The impact of massive cargo ships on the economy and the environment. Even though it's fascinating to watch enormous cargo ships approach the coast, it's crucial to comprehend these ships' effects on the economy and the environment. In international trade, cargo ships are essential because they move commodities throughout the globe. They are a practical and affordable means of moving large, heavy items across long distances. It helps keep product prices low, making them more accessible to customers. However, it is necessary to notice how these ships affect the ecosystem. The ships utilize a lot of fuel, releasing greenhouse gases into the environment. Besides being large, cargo ships also have intricate loading and unloading procedures that are intriguing to observe. Transporting containers onto and off the ships during these procedures takes extremely well-coordinated efforts and the employment of large cranes. The ease and precision with which these cranes can move containers weighing up to 40 tons is fantastic. It's critical to comprehend these ships' effects on the environment and economy despite their enormous size and intriguing operations. As previously said, cargo ships use a lot of fuel, which releases a considerable amount of greenhouse gases into the environment. These emissions lead to air pollution and climate change, harming human health and the environment. The effect of cargo ships on the environment is being lessened. For instance, recent rules mandate that ships utilize cleaner fuels, and ongoing research is being done to create more ecologically friendly propulsion technologies. In conclusion, seeing huge cargo ships approaching the coast is impressive. These enormous vessels are proof of human engineering and inventiveness. But it's crucial to comprehend how these ships affect the economy and the environment. Despite the vital role that cargo ships play in global trade, it's critical to discover solutions to lessen their environmental impact. We should work towards a more sustainable future with continual initiatives to create more environmentally friendly propulsion technologies and laws requiring ships to utilize cleaner fuels. Please share your opinions in the comment box. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more fantastic material. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the following video.